Hi, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a few of the accessibility options that all Windows computers have, which assist anyone that may have any various disabilities that inhibit their reading. To use any of the Windows accessibility options, first open the Start menu. Click on PC Settings or search for it. And click on Ease of Access. The first one I'm going to demonstrate is the high contrast. First, select a theme. Each theme has a already preloaded setting. You can adjust any of the colors in the theme if you need to. After you have selected your desired settings, just click Apply. As you can see, it creates a greater contrast among the text and the background, which is particularly helpful for someone who may have a hard time reading black text against a white background. A person who is red-green colorblind, for example, may have a hard time reading text that is against a red background. By changing these settings, you increase the sharpness of the text. To revert the changes, click on None and click Apply. Next, I will demonstrate how to use the magnifier. Turn it on, and once you do, it magnifies the screen, the entire screen. You can change that by clicking on Lens, and it will only put the magnifier on the cursor. You can increase the magnification by clicking the plus sign, or decrease it by clicking the minus sign. This is extremely helpful for someone who has poor vision and has a hard time reading or seeing images on the screen. To deactivate it, just click off. Or you can just close the window. Finally, I will demonstrate how to use the narrator. As soon as you activate the narrator, he will read aloud items on the screen.
PC settings window on. Narrator toggle switch.
You can change the voice.
Selected Microsoft Hazel 2.
Choose a voice. Microsoft David.
You can adjust the speed and the pitch by adjusting the bar across the screen. The narrator will read aloud what buttons the user is pressing. For example, if I press Alt, it reads aloud to verify to the user what button they are pressing. It also can be used to read aloud icons on the desktop.
Thursday, Saturday. Selected. Partly cloudy.
You can also use it to read aloud text in a document by selecting it.
Assistive technology proficiency video demonstration selected.
To deactivate the on-screen narrator by closing the window.
Exiting narrator.
These are a few options that are available to anyone. They can be used to greatly improve the circumstances for someone that is using a computer. Also, if necessary, they can be used together. For example, you can use the high contrast while using the magnifier if needed. The best thing to do is just to figure out what works best for you or your client.